Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
A 401k is a fantastic tool your employer offers to help you save for retirement. It's essentially a special savings account that comes with some excellent tax benefits, meaning your money can grow without being taxed until you withdraw it in retirement. Plus, many employers will actually match a portion of your contributions, which is like getting free money. This makes it a very powerful way to build wealth for your future. Getting started with your 401k is typically quite simple. Your human resources department can guide you through the enrollment process. A key decision is how much to contribute from each paycheck. A great starting point is to contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. That's literally free money you don't want to leave on the table. Once set up, your contributions are automatically deducted, which makes saving consistent and truly effortless. Inside your 401k, you're not typically buying individual stocks, but rather a selection of investment funds. For beginners, target date funds are an excellent option. These automatically adjust their risk level as you get closer to retirement, becoming more conservative over time. Another smart choice can be low-cost index funds, which offer broad exposure to the market and are very diversified. Understanding these options helps you make informed decisions for your future. Managing your 401k doesn't mean constant tinkering. A simple annual review of its performance is often enough. You might consider rebalancing your investments if their asset allocation drifts too far from your initial plan. The most important rule, though, is to resist the urge to withdraw funds early. Doing so before retirement typically incurs significant penalties and taxes, seriously hindering your long-term growth. It's truly a long-term savings vehicle. To sum it up, the best advice for your 401k is to start early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. Always make sure to contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. It's truly free money for your retirement. And finally, continue to learn about personal finance and retirement planning. Taking these simple steps will set you up for a financially secure future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.